My name's Greg Tardif. I like to traditionally wet shave with safety razors, fancy soaps, lathers, and really nice smells. Because typically I smell bad. I got a package from the Shave Mercantile. They're based out of Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, I think. I don't know. Probably Music City. There's Motown. I think that's in Tennessee too. Anyways, this isn't about music cities and not such things. This is about shave gear that I opened up. We don't need this in here. We don't need that in this picture. Fine accoutrements. Thick and easy, just like me. American blend. Tube. I like the cream. I like the tubes. Do you like the tubes? Do you have a favorite barbershop scent, or is there like a scent that you're like really vibing on right now that's just like, this is it. This is the smell that I want forever. Let me know what that is in the comments, because that would be pretty cool to find out what other people are doing. American blend barbershop scent, soap, cream, whatever's, and their matching aftershave. Does wonderful things to my face. Cannot complain about it at all. I don't know why, but I always shake it up when I'm about to put out my face. To each their own, right? Now, I also got a blade bank that's in this cubby right here, I think, for recycling my used razor blades without cutting my fingers open. Also got, and I love this. This is one of my favorite soaps. It's Limeade by the Shave Mercantile. It's their house soap. It's made by Music City Suds. They worked with Ethan on these soaps, and they're pretty awesome. Mild scent, but enough there. Very pleasant. I've had this before. I've reviewed this soap before, but I got their Sun Kiss too. I'm not an orange kind of guy. I don't eat a lot of fruits, but this was nice. It's like a sweet orange. Me being kind of a chonky little dude, picked up on some Pez smells. You know, like the candies. Whew, yeah. That's what I got. That's what I got from the Shave Mercantile. They have these on sale right now, so it's definitely worth checking out. I'll put a link in the description if you want to see more videos like this, or my safety razor reviews or anything like that. Feel free to subscribe. If you stumble onto this video by accident, where it's like, I don't know how you would do it by accident, but if you did and you liked it, you can subscribe. If you did and you didn't like it, might I suggest one of the videos on the other side, the suggested videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great future and a great day, and maybe I'll talk to you in the comments. Peace out. Peace.